Sundin mo lang yung style ko at okay ka. Wag kang matakot, sabi ko makulong ka.
So, did you say sundin ang style mo?
Oo.
Anong particular, sir, ang style ni PRRD ang gusto niyo makuha po ni Bibi Sara para okay talaga?
You cannot change the Philippines overnight into a trouble-free country. But you can minimize the misery of the people in the hands of the oppressors and the criminals and all. Pwede mo na rin patayin lahat para isang hearing na naman.
Gago!